The 5 things everyone thinks you know about the Amazon Associates program, and shame on you for not reading the terms of service. It's all a bunch of mumbo jumbo. A lot of people read it, they don't comprehend it, or they don't read it at all. They watch a couple of videos like this one and they think that they know everything about the terms of service and what they can and can't get away with, what they can and can't do. But Amazon is very strict, and when they decide to shut you down because you're not following the terms of service, if you're not, you really don't have no legs to stand on. So here are the 5 things that everybody thinks you know. If you're ever in a conversation with somebody who's an Amazon associate, they already assume you know these 5 things, and you may or may not know them. So here we go. Number 1 is disclaimer. Everybody knows that you have to have a disclaimer in any social media that says that if you're getting a commission, it has to say something in the bottom. A lot of people put hashtag ad or hashtag Amazon associate or hashtag Amazon affiliate, right? But the letter of the law, right, what it says in Amazon terms of service is that what it says it's supposed to say exactly verbatim is, as an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases. That has to be the exact wording in your social media post, in your video, in whatever you're using to promote your links, right? So that has to be in there. It has to be right up front so people can see it, so that it, and that's also it's also government rule, as far as marketing goes. You have to be upfront and let everybody know that you're getting a commission. So that's number 1, is the disclaimer, right? Number 2 is no Amazon links. No Amazon links can be in ads, okay? Facebook ads, Google ads, any kind of social media ads. People are doing TikTok ads now, Instagram ads. You can't direct link. Okay, you have to have a website that it goes to a website or a landing page or something like that. You can't put an Amazon link in an ad, right? That's number 2. No Amazon links in ads. Okay. The 3rd thing everybody thinks that you know already is that you can't cloak an Amazon link. They don't like it. They don't like it at all. Pretty much that means you can't use a bit.ly link. Okay, so when you go up to your site stripe on the top and you click down, they do have a shortened link. They used to not have that. They used to always have the long, ugly link. But now they have a short link. You can go down there and you can click that link and use that short link. You don't have to go to bit.ly or any other of the link shorteners out there to mask it. They don't want you to be deceiving people that you're sending them to Amazon, right? So everybody wants to know that it's an Amazon link. They're going to Amazon, and let me tell you that that's to your benefit, because people feel comfortable going to Amazon. They've probably already bought many things from Amazon. They shop on Amazon. Clicking an Amazon link is not something that they're going to be afraid to do, as far as their information or giving away, getting in any kind of trouble on devious websites, right? So Amazon links are a good thing. So that's number 3, that you can't cloak your link, right? The fourth thing that everybody thinks you already know is email marketing, right? Everybody tells you that the money's in the list and that you've got to build an email list and everything else, which is very much true, right? But you can't put an Amazon link in your email either. You can't direct product link in an email. You have to have a website or a landing page that you're sending them to. Or if you're an Amazon influencer and you have a storefront, you can send them to the storefront, right? But you can't put an Amazon product link in an email, okay? Nobody knows that. Nobody tells you that because they assume you already know that, right? So that's number 4. And number 5, the fifth thing, right? The 5th thing is you don't buy from your own link. They can tell, family, friends, and you're not going to get commissions from those links anyway. And it doesn't look good for you if you're trying to game the system by buying from your link. Of course, I buy from my Amazon account, so that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about clicking your Amazon affiliate link and buying through the link. They don't like that. All right. So that's the 5 things everybody thinks you already know to be an Amazon associate now. So hit the like button if you've learned anything here, and I think that you probably have. Most people who think they know everything about Amazon associates probably learned one thing out of the 5 they didn't know. So hit the like button if you got any value out of this video. And don't forget to subscribe to get more tips on Amazon associates and affiliate marketing and passive income, basically, is what we're talking about on my channel. My goal is to inspire, educate, and empower you on how passive income leads to personal and financial freedom.